wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, damn mafia gang? We back in this bitch with another banger. You already see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, man, we're there with the world boss, the teacher himself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, bro, I already said everything. The world boss and the teacher himself. What more you want me to say? Oh, yeah, we forgot the king of dancehall. You see me? No, many will consider the king of dancehall. Very controversial topic and title. I don't know. Some people get their feelings when they hear that. But you don't know, man. We're there with the world boss, the teacher himself. Mr. Up to the time, down to the hour, around to the minute. I don't know what time it is. You know what we're talking about, man. Yeah, man, they're one of my favorite artists of all times. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You already know this is one of my favorite artists of all time, bro. This man, one of my favorite artists. I don't even listen to him that much on the channel because I don't want to be biased. So I barely listen to him. I try to avoid the music, not because he's not good, because he's too great. You know what I'm saying? So I try to avoid this man's music so I don't get corrupt and biased. You see me? And all these things. But come on, man. The man putting in great work, bro. From behind man, man drop music and music videos pan rapid more than some of the artists that were out there road and claims to them act right now. You see me? I think this man dropped about 3 blood clad video and 3 songs in the last week or so. And me have to actively ignore these songs. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, but no, man, you can't ignore the world boss and making legacy there. So we're there today. One of my favorite artists, the world boss, the teacher himself. You don't know we are talking about Vybz Kartel. And the one entitled Money Chaser. I'm going to check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you don't know when time Kartel come with any money theme song. You know, say dog depend on the hustling thing. You know what I'm saying? Anytime Kartel come with a money song, you always depend on the hustling. You know, matter how you struggle and getting there, and you know, some motivational thing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we'll check it out and see what the teacher deal with today. Yeah, but before we jump in that, guys, make sure that mafia gang code up. Do the right thing. You know what I mean? Code is life. And if you're new to the channel and don't know what the code is, over here we live by a code. If you're watching the video, you like the video. And if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. So that's the code that we live by. So just do the right thing. Become part of the family, man. Do the right thing. You know, code is life. You know what I'm saying? But we're not going to be vibes much longer. I'll jump right now. Track. This is the world boss. The teacher himself. Vybz Kartel, Money Chaser. Let's get it.
You hear this blood clot, no? MOB, nigga. Money over bitches, motherfucker. Practice what the
Yeah, that. MOB. That's some shatters. If you don't know the culture, bro, you know where that snippet from, bro. That's some shatters. Man say MOB. Money over bitches, that's big speaking. Listen.
money over bitches, motherfucker. Practice what the fuck you preaching.
Money over bitches, motherfucker.
Right to the money they away from these bitches, my God leaded me. Turbo, any boy try stop his food with a try.
Easy enough. Kartel finna snap on this bitch, bro. No cap. No kizzy. No kizzy, no cap, bro. Let's get it.
Them back, watch them. And I chase me and chase money, me and chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic. Can't let it black.
Money me a chase, yeah, chase cranberry. Money was the cure for the pan belly. You know what I'm saying, bro? Yeah, man, now I'm here, bro. Hear the dog. Yo, better listen when my artists are speak. You know, listen, when I go hear lyrics. Come on.
With the bang belly, now see the cranberry. Better you have it and I want it.
Hold on. I pull it up, cause my subscribers say, yo, bro, when I pause, I need to pull that shit up, bro. Pull that shit. Let's pull that shit from the top, bro. You know what I'm saying? I want to listen to the lyrics from a blow artist. You know what I'm saying? Open that one and I get copyright down. We can hear everything. Let's get it.
Bitches, my God leaded me. Turbo, any boy try stop his food, we a drag them back. Watch them. And I chase me and chase money, me and chase any with the
Turbo, any boy try stop the food, drag them back, watch them bleed. Two man don't play with me artist, you know, bro. Yeah, man, come on.
Them back, watch them. And I chase me and chase money, me and chase any with the cranberry money was the cure for the pandemic. Can't let it black with the bang belly, now see the cranberry. Better you have it and I want it.
Nah, let it glock with the pan belly, nah, see me, I'm down. Hey, Listen to me, artist, when the dog I speak, man. I want to hear money was a cure for the pan.
With the bang belly, now see the gun belly. Better you have it and no want it. More than fin have it and me did charge it. The boy them did charge me for murder. Me bossy like pump and walk.
Better to have it and don't want it, don't want it, and can't have it, you know, dog. I facts that, you know, bro. You better listen when the teacher speak, you know, bro. Come on, man.
Them did charge me for murder. Me bossy like pump and walk. Tougher than a car can talk, better cricket ball. Giant walk, midget crawl, bad mind call. Say we arise, them a fall. I know our fault, you no pull the fault to the salt. If you no fool.
Tougher than a cricket ball. Giant walk. When you say giant walk and sit in the crawl, I want to midget crawl. I want to know.
Cause you get lost na the sauce. Last than Dante, you feel big up cross. They dead like fool, a gal making loose. You a carry out it and left the flowers by your shoes. Money, I'm a friend, could be no stranger.
Easy now.
Money, I'm a friend, me a real money chaser.
Easy now, man. No, listen to me, I say. Money and my friend couldn't be no stranger. Money and my friend, me a real money chaser. I'm to no man, listen to you.
Money chaser.
Come on, no man, I'll pull it up. Money chaser. Blood gang. Yeah, I keep forgetting to pull it back when I pause it, gang, but I'm getting better at it.
Money, I'm a friend, me a real money chaser. Money chaser. Me a money chaser. Get the money down. Don't see the money from the bank, we no work with check, cash a hard copy. Money bag heavy, but we can't drop it.
Yeah, man. Money from the bank, we no work with check on here. Cash we speaking, bro. Come on.
It's a our pick, me money, so we not get no all at it. Money I know everything. Still money good for do many things charging. Government want audit the teacher. They have nothing to tell you none talk.
Easy now, man.
Money I'm a friend could be no stranger.
Easy now, my youth. The man say money I know everything. But money used to many things. They might try audit the teacher. Post me and nothing to tell you. I'm telling you where I come from. Oh, no. Come on now, man.
Money I'm a friend could be no stranger. Money, I'm a friend, me a real money chaser. Money chaser. Me a money chaser. Get the money down.
Easy now, man. Now I'm trying to get the money now. That mafia. Get the money now.
Get the money down. Right to the money they away from these bitches, my God leaded me. Turbo, any boy try stop it for me.
The man say married to the money from these bitches, God leaded me. This is
me a drag them back, watch them. And I chase me a chase money, me a chase any with the cranberry money was a cure for the pandemic. Can't left it Glock with the bang belly, now see the Danberry. Better you have it and I want it. More than fin have it and me did charge it. The boy them did charge.
Yeah, man, see the Glock with the pan belly, now see the Danberry. Better if you have it and want it. Than if you want it and have it. I'm to
me fi murder me bossy like pump and walk. Tougher than a car can talk, better cricket ball. Giant walk, midget crawl, bad mind call. So we arise, them a fall. I know our fault, you no pull the fault to the salt. If you no focus, you get lost na the salt. Last stand.
To the man, you man say, yo, tougher than a cantar, cricket ball. When you say coconut town for cricket ball, nasty the blood clot, dog. Yeah, I got a brain for a while ago, bro. Listen to the man, dog. Listen to the dog. Listen, you hear that?
The cricket ball, giant walk, midget crawl, bad mind call. So we arise, them a fall. Our fault, you no pull the fault to the salt. If you no focus, you get lost.
Tougher than a cricket cancantar, cricket ball, giant walk, midget crawl, bad mind call. Say we arise, them a fall. I no feel we fall, them no pull them part. Easy the man, listen to the man, come on the man. Easy.
At the stars, last stand Dante, you feel big up cross. They dead like fool, a gal making loose. You a carry out it and left the flowers by your shoes. Money I'm a friend could be no stranger. Money I'm a friend, me a real money chaser.
Real chaser. Dan Mafia, tell him say we're real money chaser around here, dog. We get into the bag, bro. You know what I mean? Dan Mafia, we keep each other accountable. We keep each other upon task. That mafia, no I glass no over here, you see me? Yeah, man, that mafia gang. Make sure you're in the Discord, bro. Because we're going to keep each other on task. Make sure each other is making every day count. And we're making progress and we're growing. You know what I'm saying? So join the mafia gang, man. Mafia family, bro. We going crazy. Let's get it. Easy now, man. Me artist out here, bro. No man I make true like Kartel. You see me I say that thing flow and everything just have a vibe while you talking that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of new artists are lose it. You know what I'm saying? Money and my friend couldn't be no stranger. Money and my friend, me a real money chaser. Money chaser. Money chaser. Man say yo. Man say married to the money from these bitches, God lead me. But man I really drag them but what them bleed. Yo, easy to my artist, bro. Clap him. Best thing of the game to ever do it, man. You know what I'm saying? Kartel. I could have known history as a legend, bro. I'm gonna try to stifle out your legacy, but that would never happen. You know what I'm saying? As long as real dancehall fan exists and real music lovers like me exist, yeah, bro, your legacy will never die. You know what I'm saying, my G? Yeah, man, one of the best to ever do it and still do it, doing it. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the teacher, the world boss, Vybz Kartel, man. Big track guy. And also, guys, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. You know what I'm saying? What was your favorite part? Beats, lyrics, melody, video, whatever. Drop in the comment section. Also, if you love it, go show the artist and love and support. Let me know say Jambisco done sending on the dog. I'm making no say that mafia gang strong. You see me? I say, yeah, man, we're coming to take over this shit, man. We're not stopping. We're growing. You know, I road to 100K, 100 mil. You know what I'm saying? We're not stopping over there. Bitch. You know what I'm saying? So don't know. Become part of the gang. Become part of the family. You already know. Link in the description to the Discord, man. Also, guys, this is the goal for the month. Normally we should be at 400 subs by now. We're only at 294. We got 1 week left in the month. We always beat our goal. So right now we got 206 subs to go. So make sure we beat that goal before the month ends, guys. Make sure we do that, gang. You see me, that mafia? Yeah, man. So let's do the right thing. You don't know what time it is. It's a boy. I was hearing another banger. Remember, get into the Discord. Link in the description. Get into the Discord. You can drop your request directly. I can speak to y'all directly. Comment about videos. I can let you know when videos drop. I can do a live stream going on. We can plan things together. Requests together. You know what I'm saying? So get into the Discord. You already know what time it is, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. I was hearing another banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.